Hey lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Ipsy's August Icon Box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So as usual, I did go ahead and try out the makeup products that are in this box today on my face. That way I can give you guys my first impressions of the products. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the products that they picked out for me first. So first up, from the brand Femme, I think is how you say that. I probably didn't say that right, but anyways, this is their Brilliant Cleansing Gel. This retails for $32. I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm curious to try them out. I don't mind getting cleansers in my boxes every now and then. Anyways, here's what the product looks like. It's just kind of, you know, just white packaging. Anyway, so there's the first product. And then they picked out a product from GXVE. I don't know how to pronounce that. Beauty. And this is their Most Def Instant Definition Sculpting Brow Pencil. I got it in the shade 5, which is like this dark brown. So I did try this pencil out, and it's a little weird, I'm not gonna lie. The color worked out pretty well for me. I do have it in my brows right now. So the color worked, it's just the shape of the brow pencil is kind of odd. Do you see that? I really don't know what's the point of it being that shape, but there's that side, and then of course it's got the little spoolie on the other side. So it like works, but I don't get why it's shaped like this. I'll use it because they gave it to me in my box, but like I don't think I would have gone out and bought this. But again, this is another brand that I had never heard of, so I'm curious to see what other type of products that they have. It's not a bad brow pencil, like, you know, like I said, it matches, and it wasn't bad to use. It was just kind of weird. I don't know. I don't really know what to think of it. And then they chose this Iconic London Multi-Use Cream, Blush, Bronzer, and Highlight Palette. Oh, I forgot to say what the brow product retailed for. It retails for $24. So it's a little pricey for a brow pencil. I really hope the lighting is not like bad. The sun's starting to go down. Not really down, but the sun has moved from my window, so I'm not really getting much light like into my closet here. But anyways, so Iconic London Face Palette, and this retails for $49. I'm not gonna be able to show you like the front. It's like super blinding. I don't know why Iconic London does that type of packaging, but it's pretty, it's just not easy to show on camera. Anyways, so here it is. So it's got 2 blushes, 3 bronzers, and 1 highlighter, I think. Now, I didn't try this product out today because there's another product in here that I used instead. The main reason why I didn't try this product out today is because I don't actually plan on keeping this. This is just not a product that I can see myself reaching for. I don't mind cream products every now and then, but I know that I would not reach for an all cream product, like palette. So I'm going to actually give this to someone that I know. So I didn't want to touch it, so I'm not going to swatch it either. But $49 for that. So we're still on the items that they picked for me. Next up is from JLo Beauty. This is their Beso Balm Hydrating Lip Mask. This retails for $19. It's a pretty small, you know, little cute little lip balm. Is it balm or is it? It's a mask, but they call it a balm, so I don't know. To be really honest, this packaging feels like super cheap, so I don't really know what the $20 is for. It must be all in the ingredients. But anyways, I had heard that JLo had her own, like, I don't know if it's just skincare or if she does makeup as well. I know there's skincare, but I don't know if it's just skincare. My camera does not want to focus on this. Anyways, so $19 for that. And then the last product that they picked for me is this product here from Kate Berkey, and this is the collagen gel. It's reversal, lift and fill, firm control gel. And the retail price on this, before I tell you guys how much this retails, I want you guys to comment down below how much you think this product is. So go ahead and comment down below, how much do you think this lift and fill form control collagen gel is? I would be surprised if you guessed correctly. But anyways, this retails, I don't even know if this is a glass bottle, but this retails for $160. This right here, $160. I do not know who would pay $160 for some skincare. This better give me a new face. I better look like I have gotten freaking plastic surgery after using this product, because that is ridiculous. That's just my personal opinion. I'm not trying to bash the brand, but I just don't understand how they justify the price of things sometimes. Like, I don't get it. I will definitely use the product, but I'm pretty sure I will not be repurchasing that ever. Alright, so moving on to the products that I customized. Alright, so first up being from Makeup Forever, which I think this is the first time I've seen this brand in here before. At least I've not received anything from this brand in the Ipsy box. But anyways, this is the Makeup Forever HD Skin Twist and Light Loose Powder. This retails for $45, which again is another like super pricey price tag on for a powder. At least for, in my opinion, I feel like that's a really hefty price tag for powder. Now, I tried this out. This is in the shade Light, so Clear Light is what it's called. Alright, so I was very confused when I tried this out today, because I was like looking at it, because I opened it up and I was like, okay, well, first off, hold on, I'm getting ahead of myself. There are three different types of powders in here. So you got a pink one, a blue one, and then like your shade, I guess, the light product. And so I opened it and I was very confused, because I was like, okay, and then I was like, what is this? Why is it like, because this is all sealed. I don't know if my camera's gonna, you see it's sealed, and then the bottom twists. So I was like, what is going on? So I had to like read the instructions or whatever. Anyway, so basically you put the lid, I'm assuming, and you twist it, and it like makes the product. I'll just show you guys. So you just sit here and you twist it back and forth, and then somehow in the bottom, yeah, there's the product now. It makes the product come out in the bottom. Like, I didn't put that much, but anyways, so I twisted enough, twisted it for enough to come out, and then I mixed it all up, because like I said, there's 3 different shades in there. Bottom line is, I don't like this product because mixing, I don't know if you're not supposed, I don't know, maybe I should look into this product and see how you're supposed to use it. But first off, it's the powder's kind of shimmery. Second off, when I mixed the powders all together, they turned into a gray shade. And then I applied it to my face, and I'm pretty sure, unless my eyes are playing trick on me, I feel like it made my face look gray. I looked dead. And I was like, I don't like this. I don't like how this is making my face look. So I will not be using this. I will probably get rid of this. So yeah, didn't like that product, which is really rare for me to say that I didn't like a product. Usually I'm just like, it's okay. That product I do not like. Alright, and then next up, I customized this mascara from Too Faced. It's the Better Than Sex mascara. This retails for $29. I didn't try this product out because I have used this product in the past. Like, this is my second tube of this. I've gotten one in my box before, And I was going to put it on, but I think I couldn't find it, so I must have already used it up. But anyways, I do really like this mascara. Now, having said that, I like to get these mascaras in my boxes. Like, if it's an option, I will choose it if there's not like a better option. But I will say this mascara is not one that I would just go out and spend the $29 on. I don't think it's that good. I mean, I like it, but it's not, you know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't go out and purchase, like, pay full price for it. Maybe if I got it on sale, or if I found it like in TJ Maxx or something discounted, then I would pick it up. But it's good, but it's not like it's not like a staple in my collection. Like, I just think the drugstore ones are just as good. That's what I'm basically trying to say. Anyways, I was happy to see this as an option. And then I chose this product here from Drunk Elephant, which I was really excited to see. I've heard a lot about Drunk Elephant, the brand. I've never tried any of their products, but I heard their skincare is pretty good, or at least I had heard a lot about it. I don't know if I've heard about them recently, but I feel like there was a big hype over Drunk Elephant. But anyways, this is their scalp scrub, is what it's called. This retails for $39, and I'm pretty curious to try this out. So it's supposed to, like, what was I reading about it? It's supposed to help your scalp be healthier. I don't know, it's supposed to, like, balance out your scalp and remove dead cells and things like that. So, like, I don't know. I'm curious to try it out. I do feel like I do need a good exfoliator for my scalp right now. But anyways, so I'm curious to try this out. So $39 for that. And then last but not least is my Beauty Boost item that I chose, and I chose the Natasha Denona Love Face palette, and this retails for $62. And I will show you what it looks like. So super shiny packaging. It's going to have my fingerprints all over it. The packaging is actually really cute. I like the pink color. And then here's what the inside looks like. So it does have a cream blush, a highlighter in it, and then the shadows on top. The blush is this here, and then of course the highlighter. I don't know. I have mixed thoughts on this palette. It's not bad. The quality's not bad or anything. It's just, I have never liked these eyeshadow and face palettes. I never reach for them, if I'm being honest. But there's nothing actually wrong with, like, the quality or anything. The shadows worked pretty well. I will say, I think another reason why I'm just kind of like, I don't like pink eyeshadow. I always feel like it never looks good on me. So whenever something's more like on the pink side, I'm just like, I'm probably never going to use that. And, you know, 2 out of the 5 shades is pink colors. I did like this side, so I use this one as like my overall shade, and then I use this one to deepen up the sides. And I do really, really like the shimmer shade, so I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it, but I just have a feeling that this is just going to sit in my collection. I'm never going to reach for it because I don't like I said, I just don't like eyeshadow palettes that have face products in it, especially because it's a cream one. So maybe I could have gotten away with just using this highlighter as just another overall shimmer shade, but with it having a cream blush in there, I'm going to have to use it as an actual cream blush. I don't know. I'm torn. I don't need this product, so that's probably another reason why I'm not going to hold on to it. But the blush is like a very nice, subtle blush, I would say. Like, you can build it up. It's not overpowering like the first dip. The highlight is nice as well. It's not too dark for me, but I don't know. If I got lighter, it might be a little, it's like one of those golds that's like, I don't know, like you can almost see it on your face, but then I don't know. It's not bad. It's just, I feel like, me personally, I like more of the frosty, icy highlighters and not really a gold highlighter, but this one is not bad, I will say. I don't know. I don't have any complaints about it. I feel like I rambled on about that. It's not a bad product, so glad to have gotten it in the box to try out, but I'm just not sure. I'm torn. I don't know if I'm going to hold on to this product. But I do like seeing Natasha Denona products as options in the box. It's pretty exciting because I'm a cheapo and I'm not just going to go out and buy Natasha Denona products unless they're like on sale or something, or you know, if I get to my box, or maybe on the Boxy Charm, not Boxy Charm, I guess it's Ipsy now, the Ipsy like drop shop or something like that, then I might snag one, but I don't usually get their products. Alright, so that's everything in the box. So now I'm just going to tally up the price, let you guys know the overall value, and then after that I'll let you guys know my final thoughts on everything. Alright, so the overall value for this box was $459, which is a really good deal considering what I paid for the box. But having said that, this one product, don't forget, was $160 value-wise, so that's going to jack this up. But even taking this away, that's still a pretty good price value. There's quite a few like more expensive products in this box, I will say. So final run through. So I will say that I feel like there was quite a bit of skincare this time around. Let's see how many skincare. So I got cleanser and got the lifting thing, serum, gel, whatever you want to call it. I got a balm, and then I got the scalp stuff. So 4 out of the 9. So it's not bad. But you know me, I always prefer more makeup over skincare. And honestly, it's not even really, I'm not mad that they're skincare. Like, I do like getting cleansers. I will use this. I'm not a big fan of these like lip masks or balm things, but maybe I should start using them because I do have crusty lips. So maybe this is a sign that I'll be like, look, you need this, and maybe I do. So I don't know. I guess I really don't have that many complaints. I did still get quite a bit of makeup. Now the makeup side, I like this mascara, so I'm glad to have gotten that. The brow products is not bad. It's just kind of a weird shape, but I haven't gotten a brow product in a while. At least I don't think I have. And it's from a brand I've never heard of, so you know, I got to try it out. So I will use it. I'm glad that it's a shade that I can use. This I did not like, but having said that, this is a product that I chose, so next time I should probably pay more attention. I did not realize that it had 3 different shades in there. Yeah, so I don't know. I'll keep playing around with this, but so far, first impressions, I just didn't like it. And I don't like that it's shimmery either. I don't like setting powders to be shimmery. I just don't like adding more shine to my face, except for like highlighter. But overall, like shine, I don't like. This I'm not mad about getting in my box, but it's just something that I know I'm not going to use, so I don't want to. So I know I'm just going to pass it on. But you know, I do like getting face palettes in there. And the Natasha Denona is probably, well, I wouldn't say it's the most, I don't know, it is kind of exciting. It is exciting to see Natasha Denona in the Ipsy boxes, so I'm not mad about this product. It's just not my favorite Natasha Denona product that I've gotten here. I would have preferred like a full-on palette, or maybe one of those smaller face palettes, but I'm just being overly critical. It is still really cool to have gotten this in the box, and I'm sure a lot of other people will really enjoy this product. I'm just kind of picky when it comes to, like I said, the face and the eyeshadow palettes being combined, but it is still a really nice product, and I may hold on to this for a bit. I did really like the look that I came up with today, and the blush, it was nice, so maybe I'll get over this whole combo thing of not liking combo palettes, and maybe I'll grow to like this one, or not, you know. But overall, I would say this is actually a pretty good box, because there are quite a few products in here that I really do like, and I am pretty excited to have gotten something from Drunk Elephant, because like I said, I've been really wanting to try out this brand, so this is a pretty cool product to have gotten in the box. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, because that really does help my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box today. Did you guys like the products that I got, or did you not like them? Let me know down in the comments, because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!